In this part, I want to talk about the syntax of the C++ programming language. We will make a small introduce and we will see the first program using this language. So first of all, let's introduce this language. The C++ is a popular programming language. It is used to create a computer programs and is one of the most used language in the game development. So the C++ was developed as an extension of C, and both languages have almost the same syntax. Now guys, let's write the first program use this language. We will start with hashtag include iostream using namespace std and integer main. First of all, let's write the code and later we will explain all these lines. So now cout hello world and finally return 0. This is the first program in the C++ or using the C++ programming language. This program print on the screen hello world. So let's start explain the first line. The first line here, part 1, introduction to C++, my first program, it's a comment. And we can write the comment like this or like this, for example. Hello world. This is a comment and this is a comment. Now here hashtag include iostream. It's the header of the file. iostream is means uh, it's input and output stream used, for example, to enter the data and to print the data on the screen like this. Cout is the output, print on the screen hello world. If I delete this line, here we make an error because he don't have a header file for the output stream. So this is the first line. Using namespace std means that we can use names for objects and variables from the standard library. Each language has its own library and we can use it in code. Now integer main. Integer main, it's the important part of the code. All the syntax in integer main will be executed. Here we have cout hello world and return 0. First of all the code inside this braces will be executed. Cout hello world used to print a message on the screen. Here, print on the screen. Here we will print hello world. For example, we can print another syntax. For example, learning C++. Now, every syntax or every code uh, will end with the semicolon. It's very important. If I delete the semicolon, he make me an error. So the semicolon is very important in the end of the line. And finally, return 0. Return 0 means the code will end here. So he print hello world, he print learning C++, and the code will end here. Return 0. This is our first program to print hello world on the screen using the C++ programming language. So finally, I have a small note here. For example, cout and the difference between cout and cout. The capital C or the small c, it's different in C++. The C++ is a sensitive case language, so the small letter is different of the big letter.